How to sign up for DoorDash delivery driver. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for DoorDash delivery driver in your smartphone. So first of all, just open your Play Store or your Apple Store, and here on the search bar, just search for DoorDash delivery driver app. And here just click on install and download this application on your mobile phone. And once it is downloaded and installed in your mobile phone, just open the application, and here you will see two options called sign up to Dash, login. Just click on sign up to Dash, and here in order to become a dasher you have to enter your details. First of all, just enter your postal code on this page and click on next. And after that just enter your email address and click on next. And after that you have to enter your phone number, so just check this box and click on sign up. And after that there are few more details that you have to fill. So just first of all, just fill your legal first name, your middle name and your last name. And after that just create a strong password and enter the same password in the confirm password tab and click on continue. And after that, on this page you have to select your vehicle type. Just click on car, and after that just click on and fill all the other details like the car type, the model number, the color, everything, and just click on this checkbox and click on continue. And there you go. And this is how you will be able to sign up for your DoorDash delivery driver app. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.